Today I will discuss about espresso machines. Product link in the description below. 1. Breville Bess 870 XL, Barista Express Espresso Machine, brushed stainless steel. 2. DeLonghi La Specialista Espresso Machine, with sensor grinder, dual heating system, advanced latte system, and hot water spout for Americano, coffee or tea, stainless steel, EC 9335M. 3. Breville Bess 980 XL Oracle Espresso Machine, brushed stainless steel. 4. Gaggia Brera Super Automatic, Espresso Machine in black, Panarello wand frothing, for latte and cappuccino drinks. Espresso from pre-ground or whole bean coffee. 5. Jura Ina Micro 5 Automatic Coffee Machine, 1. Silver. Product link in the description below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.